Hi, it's Sean Beasley here with Infinity of Denver. Just sending you this quick custom video of our 2017 QX80 limited edition. I know you had some questions about it, and I would love to answer them for you. You can reach me anytime on my cell at 720-298-4997. Once again, that's LeSean Beasley with Infinity of Denver. And this is our 2017 QX80 limited edition with the upgraded truffle brown interior, diamond stitching, open pore wood, black suede-like headliner, captain's chairs also with the diamond stitching, limited edition smoked wheels, and grill. Thanks for watching.